candy canes, count with me. 1, 2, 3 gingerbread stars with sugar snow, smiling bright with a cinnamon glow. Add one more, giggle with glee. How many shapes on the tree? 1, 2, 3, 4 sparkly ornaments, 5 sparkly balls in color so bright, red and gold and silver and white. Add one more carefully. How many ornaments can we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Candy parade, 7 sugar drops, round and round, making the tree look extra crowned. Add one more cheerfully. How many droplets now can be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Fine twinkly lights begin to shine, glowing like stars in a merry line. Add one more, count with me. How many lights do we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10